Guess who's a month late on this trend but doesn't give a fuck? This guy. What's up, everybody? I'm Rob. You're watching Man vs. Whatever. Been seeing a lot of this I tried following blah blah blah's tutorial. This idea is just taking somebody else's video and redoing it. Isn't that what YouTube's all about? We're all making fucking slime. We're all making giant bullshit. So yeah, great. All right, we're just giving it a new fucking name. I'm with it. I'm down. So you know, because I'm an egotistical fucking prick, I'm going to instead recreate my own tutorials, but from a decade ago. That's right. This channel is going on 12 years old, and for some of you, that means that I was pumping out fucking YouTube videos while you were still shitting yourself. What you may not know is all the way back then, this channel was based upon DIY fashion, sewing tutorials, reconstructing your wardrobe. Hence, ThreadBanger. You putting it all together now? So today I'm recreating year one ThreadBanger videos, which if you haven't checked out those, those are a real doozy. Doozy? God, I'm old. So I went back, I dived into our old catalog, and let me tell you what, I pulled some fucking gems. This was one of the first videos that I fucking put out that I was like, holy shit, I'm a fashion goddamn genius. It is called the Punk Rock Tie-Dye, and it's where you take a shirt. Well, you know what? I'll do it. Let's watch it. That shirt looks like garbage. Look at that thumbnail. 457,000 views, though. You know how much money that was back in 2008? That was $0. Here we go. Threadheads. Oh shit! Hold on, I gotta pause here. Look at you, little fucking baby. That is a hemp necklace that I am wearing, along with a little fucking beanie hat and some little tuft of hair hanging out the side, and all that angry art in the background. Check that out. Holy shit. Okay, oh, the tutorial's starting. I gotta get outside. It involves spray paint. I'll meet you out there. Boom, we got our spray paint, we got our shirt. Let's see what the f I'm saying here.
First, get an old shirt and grab some colored spray paint. I've decided to go camo for this one.
Camo, yeah, you would. All right, first step, you lay your t-shirt out. Looks pretty good. Pinch in the middle and twist. I remember how to do this now.
Make sure all the sides are nice and bunched up.
Got it.
And you're ready to apply your first color.
Maybe pink. F it. Why the f not? Yeah. Oh, damn. Look at that. Do it one more time. Do a little blue. Get out of here. Killing it. All right, what next?
Twist the shirt up in different places and apply different colors.
All right, that's cool. Get some purple. I'm just gonna do it a couple more times. Here's the big reveal. Oh, damn. I don't know, you guys. I mean, it's not that bad, but it's not that great. This actually looks nothing like tie-dye whatsoever. You can't even see the spirals, right? I mean, is that what makes a punk rock? I don't know. I look like a goddamn Easter egg. All right, moving along, we're gonna take a look at our second project here. I've been harboring a lot of guilt on this episode because, I mean, throughout it, I am just nothing but a fucking liar. I gotta come clean. I'll play it for you. Here we go. Classic ThreadBanger intro.
Hey there, welcome to
Holy
Threadhead.
shit.
You'd be amazed at how much great stuff gets thrown in the dumpster.
This week we found expired coffee.
Whoa. Let me just stop it right there. Lie number one. We didn't find coffee in the dumpster. We were just trying to play this fucking eco card. Like we were all high and mighty just fucking finding coffee in the dumpster and recreating projects out of fucking thin air.
Which we're gonna use to answer this viewer question. Got any ideas for fixing up old jeans?
You bet your ass we do.
We sure do, and it includes dyeing those jeans
We
in
sure
these
do.
coffee grinds.
Holy shit. All right, I'm gonna get started on this fucking project here. What do I need? What do I need, 2007 Rob? Please fill me the fuck in.
Alright, so the first thing you're gonna do is make the dye.
What are we gonna do?
You'll need your
What's
coffee,
the-
preferably espresso grade.
What did I say? Did I say espresso like a fucking... Hold on.
You'll need your coffee, preferably espresso grade. We're
Ah,
gonna use two of these, which are about 10 ounces.
Espresso,
Now, if you don't find any of these in a dumpster, expect to pay about $1.50 in your local supermarket.
which is what I did, you fucking liar.
Next, get a 3 to 5 gallon bucket. We picked these up for free at our neighborhood ice cream shop.
I stole them from the neighborhood ice cream shop.
So you're gonna wanna make a filter. Corinne gave us these old stockings that we're gonna cut and pour the coffee directly into.
Gross. I'm cutting fucking dirty old stockings and pouring coffee into them. Delicious. Let's fill them up with some espresso. Oh yeah, just dump it right in. Whoa, hello. Look at this. Slapping you in the face, huh? Oh, god damn it. Work it down the shaft. Then you just knot that off. And now you just got some fucking coffee snakes.
Put them in the bucket and add hot water.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Come on. And essentially what you're doing is you're just making yourself a giant fucking bucket of coffee.
Now drop in your jeans.
Alright, here they go. Ah! Yeah! Alright, get those in there. Nice. Alright, espresso jeans.
Let it sit overnight and check your results in the morning.
The f am I gonna do with myself between now and then? Well, I'll tell you. I'm gonna make the next ThreadBanger project. This is another f***ing classic from the vault. The Scooty. You may be shaking your little noggin trying to figure out what the f that is. Well, let me tell you. It is a combination scarf and hoodie. We found it on some blog. I thought that our popularizing it was gonna take us in, catapult us into f***ing stardom. Not so much. Oh, here we go. How to make a holiday hoodie scarf. Oh, goddamn.
This week on Holly Jolly How-Tos, a lesson that everyone can wrap their head around. Or is it wrap around their head?
Oh, shut the fuck up. What the fuck are you wearing? This looks to me like a suit jacket with a t-shirt underneath it with a little fucking collar and a tie. And Jesus fucking Christ, can you get a haircut? Alright.
So I took an old sweatshirt and got it.
Okay, let me get my materials prepped here. I need a sweater. I need an old sweater. Well, guess what? I didn't have just an extra fucking sweater laying around, so I went out and I bought one. Boom. What next, Millennial Rob?
Start by cutting off the band from the bottom of your sweatshirt, and with some tailor's chalk, mark off 10 and 5 inches on each side of your sweatshirt.
Oh, I'm fucking measuring shit.
Cut out
Nobody
two
gives a
separate strips, cutting
shit
through both
about
sides
any
of
of
the
this.
sweatshirt.
Ugh.
Make sure it's inside out,
Inside out.
pin, and then sew together. Zipped it across the sewing machine, and I was done.
What the?
Who
Whoa,
would've
whoa, what just happened? I need some time here. First things first, I just cut this f***ing sweater apart. Killing it so far. Probably because I've already done this before.
Now take your 2 strips of sweater and lay the 2 edges on top of one another.
Do what?
Pin it and sew it together.
Is this what people had to do every time they watched one of our f***ing videos? Was just play it back and forth and play it back and forth? What a pain in the f***ing dick.
And chalk out a basic hood shape.
Like I'm supposed to f***ing know what that means. Alright, whatever. Close enough. This is f***ing hard work.
I pinned the hood into place.
Huh? Who says you don't see blood on this show anymore? And it's time to bust out the sewing machine. I haven't booted this thing up in, I don't know, a decade. I know I need to thread the bobbin, wherever that is. There we go. Put it through this little loop. Oh yeah, it's coming back to me now. Check this out. We fucking got it. Yeah. What? Get out of here. Old ThreadBanger coming back at ya. Oh shit. All right, now you put that down. Put this in the middle here. Pin all this shit together. This is why most DIY videos are people making fucking slime, because this is just some fucking bullshit. Ah! Whew. Yep, stabbed myself in another goddamn pin. All right, almost finished. Boom. Scuddy. Look at this craftsmanship, huh? Craftsmanship is more like it. How does that look? Wrap this around a couple times. Huh. For some reason I remember this looking a lot f***ing cooler. Oh, this looks f***ing stupid. Like I'm a monk. I look like a little old lady in a little scarf. I f***ing told people to make this? There's no way of looking cool in this thing at all. And then at times I look like I'm like in the medieval times? I mean, you tell me, right? What the f was I trying to push 10 years ago? Speaking of things that don't work, we should check on those coffee jeans. Oh yeah. So here they are the next day. As you can see, they got a little bit of a brown tint. Smells good, that's for sure. Actually, just gonna grab myself a little cup of that. Something to keep me going through this whole f***ing project. A little fabric-y. All right, time to put these things in the dryer.
1 pair of pants later.
All right. Oh, they smell like coffee. They look a little dingier. This is fucking surprising. Of course I didn't wash them. Of course they look this color. Let's do a little fashion show in the yard because it's snowing outside. Maybe put this little Scooty to the test while we're at it. What? What is this supposed to even look like? Like I'm wearing a burqa. It's like a little Assassin's Creed-ish. I don't know what this is. And then you got the pants here. Wearing them, you smell like a big cup of coffee, but that's fine. They look pretty cool, all right? So this is it. This is what you get when you follow ThreadBanger tutorials from a decade ago. I would recommend you probably steer clear of trying to follow really any tutorial that we've ever done here. Like up this video, subscribe if you haven't done that already for more of this. Woo, woo, okay. It's real f***ing cold outside. I'll see you around here next time. This Scooty ain't doing dick. Jesus Christ. This looks f***ing terrible.